Hey, testing. Chat, we are live. Well, double check. Let's double check. Make sure we're live. Testing. 1, 2. I think we're live. Good morning. Good morning, fellas. Chat, we are full porting. We are full porting. Let's go. I'm excited. I'm excited. We're going to full port these 250K accounts at the open. We got to decide. Are we going long or short? Long or short? We got to choose. We got to make a decision. I'm not sure. I'm conflicted. Obviously, the overnight session we had a pretty big sell-off in the overnight, so I don't know. We got to make a decision. I kind of want to sell below the 590s. Is kind of like if we break this right at the open and just sell right at the open and hope we get that initial big drop. I mean, the chance of us trading, the chance of this not hitting our intraday trailing drawdown is pretty much slim to none. But we're going to try it. For $177.60, we're going to try it. And we're going to have fun. We're going to have fun in regardless what happens. I'm going to just do the breakout right at the open, I think. I feel like I have to almost do it right at the open. So I think, right, I'm going to wait until if we continue lower, like if we continue lower into the open, then I will probably go, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do, chat. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Jeremy, John, M. Susan, Frosty Ducks, Fuzzy Unicorn is here, Niles. Good morning, Diego, Trader 808, Sean Evans, Louise, Hawkeye Boy, Clarity Trader, Frosty Ducks is here. Good morning, FOFF, Jorby. Good morning, Jorby. Michael, Jack Wiley. Good morning. I don't like that we're going lower. We might take out these overnight lows before the market opens. If that, hang on, we got to open our clock here. I'm not sure I like. I'm not sure I like the. If we keep going lower, man, I just don't know. I don't know, chat. I don't have a good feeling. I don't really have a. I was hoping we would make a move back into like the 660s before the open, and then I would just go short right at the open. But if we open at the low of the day, I'm kind of tempted to just go long right at the open. Looking for that, like just looking for that initial bounce. Again, we don't need a huge, yeah, we don't need a huge move, but we still need a pretty sizable move. But we're trading 27 minis. 27 minis. Man, this is looking like we're going to close right at the lows. So I think, all right, we got a minute. We got 2 minutes left. We still have 2 minutes before. I just don't want to get filled before the open. That's why all these orders are way outside. Yo, RX is here. Good morning, Hawkeye boy. Good morning, Frosty Ducks. Serin, good morning. Daily chart, we're sitting on a trend line. It's also the 50-day. Oh, it is? Oh, you're right. We're coming down right at it. Man, I think I'm going to go long right at the open. If we close or if we open somewhere down here at the below the 600s, I'm going to look to go long right at the open. I think that's the play. Look for that initial move higher and then we roll over. Again, it's not a big deal if we blow this, it doesn't work. It's not that big of a deal. 27 minis times 10 accounts. Yep. Yeah, Diego. We're going long with 270 minis at the open. What? How hard can it be, chat? Well, you know what? Let's double check, make sure our copy trader is functioning the way it should. Yep, we're good. Copy trader's working. We are on trading minis, 27. Yeah, we're good. How hard can it be? The chance of this working, everything has to go perfectly. The chance of this working is pretty slim. We've got $6,500, and $6,500 on 27 minis is literally a little, it's just so little room there. It's so little room. Hey, good morning, Bat. Good morning. Maddie, good morning. Max Profits, good morning. Clyde, good morning. Clyde, did you watch your golf tour video? Did you watch it? Oh my gosh, I didn't even pay attention. How is it? Okay. We're either going long. We're in, chat. We're in. Ribbit. Go. Oh, we're cooked. We're cooked. Go. 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 Oh. Oh. Go. It was so close. We did. Let's go, chat. We did it. Oh. Oh. Oh, no way, chat. I can't believe we did it. We did it. We passed them. One shot, baby. Don't try this at home. Don't try this at home. Oh, let's go, chat. Oh, that was awesome. We got to clip that. We got to clip that. It's too easy. I think I have it, right? Yeah, we're good. 265,036. I mean, it's perfect. We perfectly passed them. Oh, no. You know what I just realized? That just cost me $1,700. That just cost me $1,700, chat. Because now I have to activate these. Oh, man. Oh, well. Hey, by the way, we requested our Apex payout last night. Requested $500 per account times 10. And we had I literally requested the 500 times 10, so we have a $5,000 payout. Dude, I mean, I know Apex has its issues, but I was very impressed. By the time I had to go through and request all 10. By the time I requested the 5th one, the first payout was already approved. Those payouts were literally approved in 30 seconds. 30 seconds approved. I gotta say, I'm a huge fan. Huge fan. Okay, chat. Now I guess we, now what do we do? Now, well, first and foremost, we got to switch to micros and make sure we turn off the copy trader. I'm going to, oh, by the way, I did pass my Lucid accounts. So these Lucid accounts are officially passed. Let's go. We have Lucid accounts are passed. We've got another $100 day or $150 day locked in on the trade day accounts. We've got day number 2 locked in on the Tradeify select accounts. We need one more day. We need one more good day on Tradeify, and then we are officially like fully funded. We would have 37 funded accounts with Apex. With the ones we just passed on Apex, we will have 37 funded accounts. Now, the hard part is keeping them. Please, please, can I just keep my Apex accounts for 2 months? All of my funded accounts. Can I please just keep them for 2 months? Please. How hard can it be? All right, we are now down below that overnight low. Like you were saying, John, this is going to be very interesting to see here. 390s. I got to do something. All right. I'm going to troll some people. Look at this thing dump. All right, I got to decide what accounts. Okay, so I need the same 20 days would also be okay. Exactly, Claudia. I just want, like, gosh, you know what I need to do? I know what I need to do. I'm short if it breaks through and holds, no reason to cover. I agree, John. This could be in for one of those $500-600 red days. I'm just right now. I want to be careful if this sweeps the overnight low. But I mean, this thing is bearish. It's been bearish all night long. I wish I would have traded more. I wish I would have been able to trade more in the overnight session, but I fell asleep and I just could. I didn't have the opportunity to trade the overnight session much. But it was a pretty nice move lower. Someone just got filled with 900 NQ lots at 29,600. That's crazy, Broseph. Hey, Alaman, good morning. Chad Holcomb, good morning. Yeah, Benjamin, it was lagging, yeah. That was crazy. That was crazy. I thought for sure we were going to get the intraday trailing drawdown. I thought the intraday trailing drawdown was going to get us. You missed the 250K YOLO K Trader K. Just rewind the stream. Rewind the stream. It'll be worth it. That was pretty epic. That was pretty epic. We got filled really nicely. Like, the volatility wasn't too bad. Definitely the play was going long. All right, we swept those overnight lows. Now let's see. This is just going to roll over. Also, I am not going to trade my Apex PAs. Last night, after I requested my payout, I decided to prevent a well-known disease called post-payout degenerate syndrome. In order to prevent that disease from infecting me, I decided as soon as I requested the payout and got approved, I just went in and locked out for the day. So we can't trade our Apex PAs. I think I'm going to trade my Lucid, my fresh, brand spanking new, never been used Lucid accounts. That's the plan. We're going to trade the Lucid account. Oh my goodness, look at this dump. Oh yeah, this thing is, we are 100% looking for shorts. All right, below the 500s now. All right, let's zoom in here so we can look at this thing. All right, let's look. We just got to wait now and get some short setups. This market looks heavy, very heavy. Hey, good morning, Classic Man. Whoa, what is that? That's a little concerning. I'm going to trade 2 micros here on these Lucid accounts. But now I'm a little bit concerned. That was a big wick. Big wick here. But if we come up here and retest like the 590s and we get a good short entry, I'm going to take it. But man, this thing is starting to look like it wants to. Looks like it wants to do one of them V-shaped reversal moves, huh? Come on, market. Don't be difficult today. Let's just have a nice trending day lower. Let's just have a nice trending day lower. That would be great. All right, retesting that 590 area. Can't really. Man, I don't know what I want to do here. It feels kind of dangerous to go long, but 15 seconds of excited nutty. Detonator, thanks. Wish I had the balls to full port 250K. Hey, I mean, it's $17. That's the way I look at it. Okay, hang on. We got to look at. Okay, this is dangerous. It is very dangerous trade here. I might just kill this if we get above. Man, this thing is crazy volatile right now. No! Gosh. It's not what I wanted to see. Dump it. Dump it. Come on. Dump it. I'm not sure we're going to get a continuation here. This looks like a trap. I'm getting out. I'm out. We got to wait. I don't know. The shorts might be cooked. This thing is looking very trappy. I might take another short here if we need to. This is so. No. Come on, just do it. No. This is not good. Man, I don't want to start off my Lucid accounts like this. We are going to get cooked. Dump. Dump. Oh, come on. All right, it's too volatile right now. Man, I like the shorts though. We got to calm down. We're a little bit too excited. Really, market? Now you're going to dump? Really? Let's just wait. No need to brush. Thing is, it's very volatile. And now we're going to make new lows. Guaranteed. Watch this. We're going to make new lows. Yeah, I'm just going to wait. We got to wait for this volatility to calm down a little bit. But man, I want to go short. Oh, I like this setup, but I've gotten killed twice. I'm not sure I can do it again. Man, I'm going to do it. Chat, hold on. Wait a minute. What happened? That was so bad. What? I'm still in a trade? What the heck? Hang on. Hold on. Hold on. And I'm long? Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. See if we can get out for minimum damage. Gotta be careful here. All right, we're out. I don't know what happened. What happened? It's gonna frustrate me. Never mind. I'm not frustrated. That's insane. Look at this thing. This thing is going crazy. Look at that rip right back up. All right. We got to wait. We got to wait. We got to be patient. We got to wait. This thing is way too choppy. Let's just be patient. Man. Wait, is Trump speaking? I don't think so. You can't see me trade. Oh, you can't see my trade? Yeah, I know. It was a glitch with the copy trader. That's why. Hey, good morning, Bella. Good morning, Bella. How we doing? Let's go. Hey, good morning, Matty Matt. Why do we get 250K accounts? Because we can. Because we can, Matty Matt. I decided, why not? We're going to YOLO them. We're going to YOLO 10 of them. And we did, and we passed them. Miracles do happen. Miracles do happen. Only problem is now I have to pay the activation fee, and I'm not, I mean, I'm fine having the accounts. You know, it is what it is. Trump is talking right now at NATO. Oh, he is? Oh, that would explain it. He was at NATO. Ah, that makes a lot of sense. Man, this looks like, I mean, I like those shorts. I just couldn't hold. It's unfortunate, man. I really did. I like the shorts coming up and retesting this 590. And literally got stopped out twice. Just too much volatility. Too much volatility. Probably should have traded a little bit smaller size. I probably would have helped. So it be, so it goes. Here we go, about to make new lows, I think. Are we not going to make new lows? Oh, yeah, there we go. New lows, 480s. Wait, oil is up almost 2%. Oh, wow. Hey, good morning, BPCFB. Broseph, good morning. I'm still short. Nice. Nicely done. I wish I was. I knew this thing was going to make new lows, and I just couldn't. The volatility was just too high. We got chopped out. These are 250K legacy accounts. Apex is running a special promotion for the 250Ks. 250Ks, they're running a 90% sale. You can get a 250K account for $17.76. So I decided, why not? Why not? Hey, nicely done. Nicely done, Broseph. You're done for the day. Love to see it. Love to see it. Yeah, take me with you. Man, here we go. New lows, 470s. 470s now. It is dumping. Oh, I just knew. I knew this was. Wish I had more conviction sometimes just to hold my trades. Easier said than done. With this kind of whippy volatility, I think I'll trade my TBT funded one at a time. Not a bad idea, TCM. I'm not going to trade my take profit. Not in this kind of. Not when we're moving like this. I'm just not a big fan of the whippy. We are definitely, it's a nice trend lower, but we are seeing 50 to 70 point chop whippy action. It's not fun. There he goes, 450s. 450s, down we go. Crazy. Wow. Hey, good morning, Traders Chick. Good morning. Man, I wish now I have to make sure I don't try to chase my losses. We just got to wait and make good decisions. All right, 440s. Here we go. This thing is just absolutely dumping right now. And I am just watching. Feels bad. We are right at this 50 EMA on the daily chart. We obviously have the 340s down here as a very important level. So let's see. Do we want to go test the 340s? Possibly. But right now, at least the volatility seems to be calming down a little bit. Is this day chart finally going to break the wedge? Yeah, I know. If it does, look out. So hard to tell, man. Every time we get these big, we get these moves lower and then we still get this 100, 200 point rips higher. It's just difficult to hang on. But I am going to look for shorts 100%. We just got to make a move back into the 500s, retest the 500s, and we will take a short. Ooh. Can I briefly explain the rules on the 250K Apex accounts? So basically it has the MOE rule. So the drawdown is 6,500. So they don't have a daily loss limit on them. But you do need to adhere to the MAE rule, which means 6,500, you can't lose more than 30% of your drawdown in one trade, which is $1,950. So you can't have a losing trade go red more than $1,950, or that's technically breaking a rule. So I would much prefer my, the new Apex accounts is what I prefer, but you know, it was worth a shot for this price. It was worth it. But obviously there is an activation fee with these accounts. So be mindful of that. Be mindful. But it's all right. We're going to activate them, and I'm probably going to trade minis on those. I'm going to trade minis on those accounts. We're going to go pretty aggressive on those 10 accounts, and hey, what happens, happens. Come on, make it move back into this 500 area, then we can look for a short. And just right back down. This thing is very, very bearish right now. She dumping. Looks like we want to dump. I'll stick with Lucid. Yeah, INT. Not a bad plan. And there she goes, ripping it. Wow, look at that pump. Man, come on. Give me an entry here. Don't do it. All right. Here we are at that 490, 500 level. So, man, it's so it's hard to trade, but gosh, I'm gonna oh, this is not even gonna give me an entry. All right. If we get filled, we get filled. What? What happened? What just what just happened? Did I just get stopped out immediately? Getting frustrated. That was maddening. Are you kidding me? Oh, this is not good. I want to see what happened on that last trade. If we get stopped out here, I'm going to stop trading these Lucid accounts. I do not want to do more damage than this. Let's make a continuation here. Come on. Just dump it. Dump it. Dump. Come on, make new lows. Do it. Please, let's not chop around here. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to try to let this trade work. But we got to make new lows. Okay. Maybe. Go. Dump. Straight down here. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Oh, I'm going to regret not taking profit here. I can tell. I don't know, chat. This thing is kind of weird. I still don't know what happened on that first trade. Volatility is 52, 51.875. Shout out to Wall Street. I love that ATR indicator. How long the bottom? How long the bottom so it'll dump? Don't do it now. Don't do it now, Frosty Ducks. I'm out of the trade. I don't know, man. This market feels like it's going to be a frustrating day. I'm glad I just took my profit there at that double bottom. We might, with this kind of price action, we might just need to lock in profits if we have them instead of trying to get some runners. Crazy. This market be crazy right now. Yeah. Basil. Oh, man. Yeah. 100%. Adding to winners in this market condition is, that's maddening. That is maddening. It's doable, but very, I'm sure it's frustrating. What was your strategy for passing the 250K accounts? So Matthew, the way I was looking to do it is, I mean, there's no like strategy. So it's basically a YOLO. Yeah, I did 27 minis and I went long right at the break of the 605s. So I just basically was waiting for that open and basically taking advantage of that opening volatility to get a big enough move to pass them. You can rewind the stream. In the beginning of the stream, you can see it's not a strategy, I wouldn't say. It's just, you don't need a strategy when you long 27 minis. Facts. All a YOLO for a reason. I guess the strategy is to YOLO it. I mean, but I'm not sure I would consider that a strategy, but that was my game plan. Not saying I wouldn't recommend it. Don't, there's a way higher chance that you'll blow the accounts than it is that you'll pass them because of the intraday trailing drawdown. With that kind of size, you need to get pretty lucky to pass them. Okay, market, make up your mind. What are we doing? By the way, Chad, how about that U.S. soccer game? Man, what a great game. Oh, U.S. really showing up, huh? Yeah, and here I was. I'm like, before the match starts, I'm like, you know what? Today, I'm really going to get into soccer or football, whatever, Chad. You know, I'm going to really get into it. I got me some snacks. I was ready. Got me some. I was situated. I was ready to take in the full game. I was going to watch the full game. I was going to be a diehard fan. And this was going to be where I become a soccer fan. Oh my gosh. Couldn't even laugh. I mean, that was the most, it was like, it reminded me so much of being a Browns fan. That is exactly how the Browns do it. The Browns, you will have very, very low expectations. And then they'll go and surprise you, and they'll win like 3 games in a row. And then they'll have a national televised game, and you are just about like, they'll just hook you in. They'll hook you in and give you hope just enough to really care. And you're like, oh, maybe this is the year. And you'll start to get really excited. You'll get really vested into a game. And then by halftime, it'll be 42-0. That is so typical Browns stuff. That was Cleveland Browns all over it. And then, of course, you know, it was over by the first. I mean, I don't even know, first quarter isn't a thing. But halfway through the first half, I don't even watch soccer. I don't even know what I'm looking at. But I could tell that we suck. Like, that much was clear. I didn't need some genius that knows and understands soccer to tell me that we were going to actually get absolutely destroyed. I knew that early on. And then they gave us some false hope with that penalty kick. And, you know, and we tied it at 1. And literally 30 seconds later, it's 2-1. I'm like, yeah, this is typical Brown stuff right here. I didn't even watch the whole game. Couldn't do it. So at least I can stop pretending like I'm really into soccer now. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I meant football. Sorry, chat. Sorry, I meant football. It was fun while It was fun while it lasted. D. Lorenzo, you liked that, didn't you? You liked it. I know you liked that. We got absolutely spanked. You know, just to make it worse, you know what made it worse? Before the game, that red card got reversed. You know, it was almost like an insult, I think. I personally think, because if we should have never reversed that red card. Trump should have never done that, because if we don't have that player, and I'm sorry, I don't even know his name, but we could at least make an argument that, hey, we would have won if we had him. You know, we could have at least made that argument. Now, we can't even make that argument. Like, we're cooked. I mean, there's literally nothing to do but admit that we suck. And, you know, wow, look at this dump. Oh, my goodness. Of course. Okay, we gotta focus up here. This is unfortunate. All right, this is a very key level right here. This is actually a very important level right here at the 340s. Anywhere from the 280s to the 300s is going to be 280s to the 340s is an important level. And if we don't hold, look out below. This might get ugly, chat. Look at the 1 hour chart. If the 200s, if we start dropping down below the 200s, we might want to get the women and kids, get them dressed, get them ready. It might be time to get the women and kids and just have them head for the basement. Have them head for the basement. If you got an outdoor bunker somewhere, you might want to get it ready. This is not looking good, chat. It's probably because we lost in soccer, right? Probably. Yeah, hide the kids, hide your wife. Hey, we call it kickball. I feel like kickball is just kind of insulting. Kickball is what I played in first grade. You know, kickball is what you play in first grade when somebody takes the yellow ball and it rolls it towards you. And the first grade, come on, you can kick it. You can do it. That's what I think about when somebody says kickball. Oh, man. Yep, Dad Nader. It's a good thing I did that at the open. That's why I did it. Call it shoe ball. Trump ball. What a dump, man. And to think, chat, look at this. We were going short up here at the 590s. I'm telling you what, chat, someday, it might not be this year or next year. It might be a couple decades from now, but someday around the corner, I'm going to learn to just trust my conviction, trust my trade, and just learn to hold. One of these days, once that happens, it's over. I mean, it's over. It's ball game is over. We are going to make millions, like millions. I'm going to buy a Lambo. Oh, it's going to be great, chat. A lot of U.S. soccer merch is now 90% off. I don't doubt it, K-Trader. Trust me, all of the U.S. is just had a last night. All of the U.S. just had an exhale. It was like, well, I'm glad that's over. Now we can focus on football, like actual football, okay? Like the real football where you line up and you don't have to have some kind of pity offside rule and afraid that somebody might run in front of you. Somebody might be faster. Oh no, somebody ran faster than me. Please give them a penalty. I'm sorry. I won't do that. I'm not going to trigger you guys. I'm not going to trigger you, soccer fan. I'll stop. I'll stop. Or if somebody accidentally brushes your shin with the heel of their foot, just brushes, you know, it just barely brushes your hair, and then they flop on the floor. They flop on the floor and foam at the mouth like they're 5 seconds away from dying. Spare me that, please, please. Ugh. We play with a real ball, not like golf. They always grab their knee. Yeah, and then last night, a guy actually tore his ACL, I think. And I'm like, that poor guy, he got no compassion. Nobody had any compassion for that guy. That guy went down in a heap. He grabbed his knee, probably tore his ACL. You know, I mean, nobody cared. Nobody cared because 99% of the time, it's just a show. So I feel bad for the people that actually get hurt. They're like, you know, it's just too bad. It's like, yeah, well, you actually got hurt. Oh, wow, that's unfortunate. Yeah, anyway, chat. We can it's all right. It's all right. It was fun while it lasted. I don't watch much football, do I? Yes, actually I do, Leon. I watch a lot of football. I literally watch the Browns. I watch Tampa Bay. I watch literally I probably watch 5 games every weekend. 5 games every weekend. Easy. So don't come at me like I don't watch football, Leon. Come on. Last night was the first and last time I'll ever watch an entire soccer game. Well, first of all, Donut Trader, if you watch that full game, like if you watched the full game last night, man, you might want to just go check yourself into a mental hospital. There might be something wrong up here. If you watch that full game, you might have some problems. There might be something wrong. Leon P. Gosh, I need to stop. Oh, let's keep it friendly, chat. All right, market. This thing is really bearish. I want to go short, but I can't go short here at the bottom, at the lows. We got to wait. Hey, 100 lot. Wait. 100 lot. 100 lot. Is that you, the actual real 100 lot ES trader? Is it? Is that you, 100 lot, for real? Yes, it is you. Let's go. How you doing, 100 lot, man? It's good to see you, man. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. Good to see you, 100 lot. You got a big payout at Day Traders? Let's go. Love to see it. Love to see it. Can't judge football based off watching USA. It's probably true, Ike. That is probably true. Max on 5 150s. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a nice payday. 100 lot. Let's go. Man, 100 lot is an OG. Imagine watching Nutty play 18 holes. You would do it. You would. Dabbed as OG. There's a lot of OGs in here. Every time we do an OG giveaway, I'm just amazed and grateful for the OGs in the chat. There's so many OGs in here. We've got to have the most OG chat on all of YouTube. We might not have the most viewers, all this blah, blah. So what? I don't care. But guess what? We've got the most OGs in a YouTube channel. I will. I think I can claim that. We've got the OGs are real. No bots needed. I seriously wonder how many streamers use bots. I know for a fact that streamers are using bots. I know that for a fact. I'm just curious how many of them do it. Probably a lot more than what we think. I should do a giveaway for the first 1K subs. I was there. Actually, oh man, I'm not sure if you can do the first 100,000 subs. Bots for what? For their live streams. You know, click on a live stream. John, you suck, John. No, but seriously, people buy bots and they inflate their viewer numbers to make it seem like they have, 1,000 viewers, when in reality, they have 200 viewers. The 800 of them are bots. That actually happens. Imagine that. Imagine having such a low ego. Like, imagine having such low esteem that you have to buy bots just to make you feel better. That's a tough look. It's unfortunate. And we are below the 300s. Man, I wish I could hold my trades. What an idiot. Okay, man, this is starting to get interesting here. Look at this. It's starting to slowly it's just slow nosedive. Niles, wait. To move penalty key. Oh, Niles, you're going to fix soccer? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Good luck, Niles. Allow unlimited subbing. You can go back in. Only call real penalties if a player gets his arm brushed. You know what they need to have? They need to have penalties for fake injuries. If someone brushes your leg and you flop on the floor, like your leg just got amputated, penalty, red card, just red card him. Yeah, like a fish out of water. It's like, it is. We got to get a pullback here. Man, this thing is just bleeding out. We got to get a move. We got to get a move back into like this 330 area, and then we got to be committed. We got to be committed. But we're still in that kind of, on the 1 hour chart, we're still in this area where there is a lot of support. So it's kind of hard to just, you know, we might see a pretty big bounce here. So I feel like you got to be careful. Exactly, 100 lot. That's literally what happened up here. I was trying to short up here at the, and I just literally got whipsawed out of it twice. Come on, give me a bigger move. Come on. I want to move back into the 340, 350 area and then take a short at the break. Come on, do it. Trying to think how big of size I go. 2 micros, I think. One nice trade, and we can get back to green on these Lucid accounts. But if we take one more loss on these Lucid accounts, I'm just gonna walk away from these. I'm gonna lock out. I do not want to. I just don't want to ruin these accounts on the first day. I don't think is there anything worse than when you have to do especially when it's like a take profit trader eval or any eval where you have to trade like 3 to 4 days to pass, and then you blow them the first day that they're funded. That has got to be the worst. Well, you know what? Maybe not. The worst is when you're 1 day away from a payout and you only need like $150 day, and then blowing them, that is definitely worse. Come on, market. Don't be like this. Man, you know what? I'm going to do this. And we are just going to look for a runner. We're going to look for a move into the, like, way down here. And I'm just going to hold. I'm just going to hold, chat. Market wants to go lower. We're going to let it go lower. Happened to you last Monday? Yeah, it's so maddening. So frustrating when that happens. Come on, market. Just dump it. Dump it now. Nah, of course not. Nah, why would you go lower? Why? Why would you go lower? Yeah, that would be dumb. Why would we go lower when we can go higher? Silly. Silly market. This is going to be the move where we see 200-point ripper. Ah, man. I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold and possibly add here the 350 level. I mean, I think we definitely go lower, so it's going to be a matter of being patient. Terry 88. Now it only goes up. It better not. If this is the low of the day, I'm gonna crash out. Dump it. Come on. Just give me new lows. You know you want to do it. Down through the 200s, and then I think we can see a free fall. But we got to make new lows first. I'm gonna grab something to drink. We're back. Oh, All right. We did make new lows, but we got to keep going. Got to keep going lower, chat. Come on, just keep going lower, please. Come on, dump it. Straight down. Come on. Nope, can't do it. Dump it. Dump. Feel like this is one of those trades. Apex 250K account. Yep, we YOLO'd him this morning. Live on stream. Passed him. It was great. It was fun time. Let's go. New lows. New lows. Come on. I really want to see this get down below the 200s. I feel like if we can break the 200s, this thing, we can really start to. Come on, man. Yes. Go. Go. Yes. Keep going. Go. Oh, do I take profit here? I'm going to do it. Take profit. I'm just going to get too upset if this rips straight back up now. See if we can get another entry. Yeah, exactly, 100 lot. Yeah, I feel like I got to take that 75 points. I'm going to look for another entry. I still think we go lower. I still think we go lower. Let's go, TCM trades. I'm trading with a trend. Yep. You know what? I have, since I've kind of reverted back to trading my strategy, you know what? I definitely feel like I have traded better. It's far from perfect. We've had a couple blow ups. We've had a couple tilt sessions, but overall, it's a improvement. It's definitely better than it was. Man, this thing just cannot seem to get any kind of legs to try to go higher right now. This thing is struggling. Oh, I don't want to go short here. I don't want to go short here. I'd love to see a move back up into this 300 area, and then maybe we can look at a short, but I'm getting a little bit of FOMO. If this drops and we lose the 200s, I'm going to wish I held, but we'll be patient. We'll wait. How do I pass the 250Ks this fast? It probably, Kingo, I don't know how long did it take, chat. I think it took like 12, maybe 12 seconds. Maybe 12 seconds, 15 seconds. Go rewind the stream, watch the open, and you'll see what happened. You'll see how we did it. Yeah, I agree, Hunter, a lot. I was looking like on the 1 hour chart right here, these lows. But if we lose the 200s, if we lose the 200s, this thing could really start to take a nosedive. But we will wait and see. Right now, it's starting to look like a slow grind lower. Volatility's died down a little bit. It's not quite as whippy. Wow, Intel is 11% on the day. That's crazy. Did you see the post from Lucid about how many people end up date? I did see that, Raider for Life. That is kind of crazy. All right. This is it's just a little bit. It's a little bit of a premature entry here. Yeah, did I mess up? No. I'm just going to go with the plan that we're going to keep with this downtrend, but really, come on. I really want to see us down below the 200s would be great. Just dump straight down. Come on. Don't trap. Yeah. Come on. Come on. No, that's not what I want to see. Don't trap the shorts here. I might bail if this traps. Trying to hold, and remember, the trend is lower. Trend is your friend. Trend is your friend until you go with the trend, and then it seems like it's no longer your friend. I'm gonna get out. I don't like that. I hope I can re-enter up here the 300s. We shall wait and look. Let's see what happens at the 300s. Glad I got out of that. You know what would be the worst? If this thing starts grinding higher, that would not be good. That would not be good for me. Part of the reason getting out of that trade is this is starting to look a lot more bullish than we've looked all day. We haven't had this much kind of buying all day long or since the open. We'll just wait. We'll just wait and be patient. Gematry. I don't know if you're trolling or not, but it's true. Pattern. 1, enter the trade. 2, I don't like it. 3, I wish I would have held. It's actually true. Oh, I hate it, but it's true. All right, here we go. Retesting the 300s. And there's a chance. There's a chance this thing just rips right back up. I'm glad I got out of that trade. That's all I can say. Here we go. 3 10s. I still like the shorts, and I'm going to look. I'm just going to wait for a good entry. And we got filled. Please don't trap. Give me some follow through now. Come on. It's starting to look like it. Do you think you will be moved live now that you took an Apex payout, or you mean like the other influencers? No, okay. RC Trader. There is very, very, very few, maybe one or two people that actually got moved live after their first payout. And those people, it was because they had a lot of previous payouts and they had a large balance. And we are cooked on this trade, by the way. Come on, man. This market gonna be, it's gonna be doing this, huh? We're gonna do this. We're gonna do the V-shaped move higher. I'm gonna give this a little bit of room. But no, I'm not worried if about getting moved live, but come on, man. It's gonna frustrate me. The grind higher begins at 11 o'clock. Can we get a dump? We need one nice dump. Do it. You know what? I'm going to take it. Just, I don't know. Just in case. Come on, dump it. Right down below that 280 and just keep going. Don't be bashful. Got all of them? No, that is evals. Got all of them. Don't get excited. Hey, thanks, RC Trader. But yeah, the way the parameters work with Apex on moving you to live, and there's multiple things, but if you have, if someone in the first 8 days of trading their PA accounts, if someone runs up the balance to $20,000 in profit, they're more likely to get moved live sooner, obviously, than, I have literally the minimum balance. So you're way less likely to be moved live. But yeah, this thing is just grinding higher. It's just going to grind higher. I'm going to move my stop right here. I'm not in the mood. I am not in the mood to start playing with this market. And it looks like we're just going to... We're grinding. We're grinding higher. So dumb. It's not unusual, though. 100-point moves just seem to be normal. And we're stopped. It's okay. I'll take that. This is the kind of price action that I hate. When we're in a current trend, but then the trend reverses, but it just slowly grinds higher. Like it just, that is brutal. Because it gives you entries, but zero continuation. It's the worst price action for the strategy that I like or prefer. Hey, is there a typo in your Apex P&L? It is not, Jose. We made 150,000 in 12 seconds. It's too easy. Now, if it mattered, it'd be different. It'd be something different. Man, see this? I want to go short again. Oh, I want to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. No guts, no glory, they say. Come on, give me a continuation here. Do it. Maybe if I say please. Come on, man. You can't trap. Not again. Not again. I hate you, market. I hate you. I fell for it again. I fell for it again. Oh, you're right. It is top of the hour. That could be good. Maybe we continue the trend now. Dump. Dump. Keep going now. All right. All right. Let's see. We can't make new lows. Let's see if she can make new lows. Give me that continuation. Yeah, you jerk. You know what? We're gonna move our stop to break even. I'm not playing with this. Yep. Gonna get stopped, break even. There it is. Very nice. Very nice. Oh. Oh, thank you, Hunter Lot. Thank you, Hunter Lot. I appreciate it. I don't know if I'm a good trader. I'm getting better. That's the only thing we can do is get better. Get better and do less dumb things. That's what I'm trying to do. I appreciate you, Hunter Lot. Take care. It is a tough game we play. Amen to that. It is. If this makes new lows now, it better not. It's unfortunate. This is starting to just feel like I don't know. I still think we go lower, but you can see the 200 EMA now. Yeah, right now it's just wicking. Everything is getting, but it's kind of true. Like, look at these green. Like, this is the first momentum buying that we've seen all morning. There she goes. Just right back up, testing the 320s. How many times am I going to try shorting here? That's kind of the question. Because we've all seen it. I've seen it so many times when we do have this kind of big move lower. Like we'll get kind of this fake kind of move higher and then we'll roll over. Feel like that's going to happen, but we could go another 100 points higher here, easy, you know, before it rolls over. So it's just, I don't know. It's kind of risky to, I might just use one micro here. I'm doing it. I mean, the setups are here. We're going to take the trade. We get stopped out. We get stopped out. Man. Wow. Gonna be honest, that is annoying. Jeez. Wow. Just straight back up. Fine. I give up. I give up. So Top Step is now trying to be MTV Real World? What do you mean, K-Trader? Do I even want to know? Gosh, this is frustrating. Frustrating price action right here. just wants to grind higher all of a sudden. Stupid market. Are you serious, K-Trade? Oh my gosh, that is gotta be, that's gotta be, that's gotta be so cringy. The grind higher is officially in. Hey, Tyler, good morning. How we doing, Tyler? Good to see you. Yeah, we YOLO'd some 250Ks. Why not? Why not? We are now millionaires. They have a baby pool filled with Canadian canola oil. Man, this thing really gonna just grind higher now. That is crazy. Crazy, crazy. All right. I mean, I don't know. I don't know that I got much to add here. This continues to grind higher. I don't really have anything to trade. I'm not trading this. I am not gonna do it. What trade? You can, Jose, rewind the stream to the beginning of the stream and you can see the trade. Hey, let's go, Golf Guy Mike. Finally locked in my last 150 day on Tradeify for max payout. Let's go. That's awesome, Golf Guy Mike. That is awesome. So yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna activate my obviously I'm gonna activate these 250Ks and I need to decide how I want to trade those accounts. Keeping in mind, you know, it's a little bit different. Obviously, can't really trade them the same. I mean, I guess I could. I could trade them the same as I trade my other Apex accounts, but don't really want to do that. Man, that's awesome. Getting max payout on 150K accounts is it's been so long since I've done that. That's a good feeling. Jose. It was pretty awesome. I don't know, Scalpulator. I will either do 10 micros or 2 minis on the 250K accounts. Why not trade this back up? Well, first of all, we would need to, we actually need to get above, like, technically, I want to see these EMAs all in order. So this EMA needs to be, it's going to take a lot for this to actually be a setup long. We're going to have to make probably a move above the 450s, 500s. Not saying we can't, but wow, look at this. Oh, I'm so tempted to keep shorting this, and I don't know how many times I'm going to do it before I learn to not do it, but I want to do it. Chat, I want to short this so bad. I'm going to regret it. Somebody help me. I want to short it so bad. I'm going to do it. Oh my gosh. Of course, the one time I don't do it, it's going to keep going now. I said I wouldn't keep doing it, but my goodness. Oh, I'm going to regret this. I already know. I'm going to regret this. I should have taken the entry. My entry was, it's a little bit of it's a 50-50. It's not a great setup. It's not a great setup, but I'm just going to wait, I guess. Yeah, no problem, Detonator. It's, yeah. Hey, Miss Trading. If you want a short, buy. I see what you're doing. Watch this thing just go make new lows now. Oh, it's going to make me sad. That is going to make me sad. Please don't do it. Moment of truth. Let's see if this thing just rips straight back up. Starting to wick. This is actually going to annoy me if this thing dumps now. Never fails. I try like once and twice. I think I even went, I think I shorted this 3 times. 3 times. And now I'm going to, and then finally you give up. And then that's when the actual move happens. It's got to be, that's just the troll. That's just trolling. The 150, no, John Q. This is just an eval. These Apex accounts are just evals, so nothing to get too excited about. Is there a way to appeal to the Apex ban? I guess you can try, but you just, yeah, you can send an email to support and state your case, I guess. Probably what I would do. Well, I wouldn't get my hopes up though. Man, this is gonna dump now. Oh my gosh. Don't do it. It's a waste of time. They don't even respond. Yeah, I mean, that is kind of true. Usually it's not fruitful. Oh man, this thing is looking. That was an awesome YOLO, wasn't it, Leon P? I agree. I thought I was cooked. I'll be honest. I thought when we here, let's watch it back. Can I watch it back? Sure I can. You know what's even crazier? I actually missed the initial open. I want to watch it. Yeah, it is actually, Leon. The fact that I missed the open actually was a good thing. Oh man. Okay, so I want to watch how close we were. I thought we were cooked. I had. Okay, so we were at 10. I mean, it wasn't as close as I thought, actually. I think we had like $3,000 of wiggle room on the intraday drawdown. So it wasn't as close as I actually thought. Anyone have a joy of missing out? You have JOMO. we have a new word. JOMO, joy of missing out. I love it. I love it, DeMichael. I'm gonna steal that phrase. I'm getting JOMO, joy of missing out. Oh, man. I'm so not sure. I'm scared to go short. I'll be honest. I'm scared. I should probably be taking this trade. What in the world? Who is... Oh, never mind. It's the neighbor. The neighbor's mowing lawn. Man, this market just dying again. Or not much. Really not much to do here. More like happiness of missing out. I see what you're trying to do there, Terry. Nice. Good try. Do all props offer 5 accounts to trade simultaneously? Not all of them. No, not all of them. I just watched your opening, huge smile short, but wild roller coaster. I know I am Bruce Lee. It was crazy. It was crazy. Yeah, exactly, Captain Crunch. What? Donut trader? What? I want to see. I mean, this thing is just. This thing is kind of unmotivating me to take any trades. I'm just. This is really nothing to do here. I don't know, man. Man, this is. I'm so tempted to short, but I feel like I shouldn't. I've got shortitis today. Shortitis, otherwise known as a strong itch to continue shorting the market. A strong desire. 10 250K accounts. That's right, Amakre. Well, look, check in the beginning, the opening. Right at the opening, we YOLO'd. We YOLO'd 27 minis. And by some miracle, we passed them. It was a modern day miracle. Witnessed live on stream. It does feel like this thing wants to. It's just chopping back and forth. No real direction. It was see, if I was a good content creator, I would take this morning and clip it and turn it into a short. I got to figure out a way to do that. Yeah, I'll have to make sure I do. It's too easy. Oh yeah, I have to make it look like it's a funded account. Oh shoot. I gotta no, I just have to hide my account. Like I just have to crop out the account and only show the P&L and then put a post about watch me make $150,000 in 20 seconds. Oh, that'll go viral. And I will forever cringe every time I think about it. I'll just, a little bit of me inside will die. That's why I won't do it. The cringe will be off the charts. Man, this market just died. Like, what is happening? I'm starting to get a strong desire to go golfing. I'm starting to get a strong case of the golfitis. A strong desire to go golfing immediately. I am really not interested in this market right now. Honestly, I'm okay with today like it is. I'm kind of okay with it. Friend of mine, he's moving back to Texas from California. He's going to try and teach me some golf. Let's go, Captain Crunch. You're going to get hooked. You're going to get hooked. I really do have a lot of diseases. I do. I agree. It's also untreatable. Daily ATR exceeded on all indices. No juice left to squeeze. Clyde, bro. Yeah, I mean, it just feels like this thing is, man, I'll see. Okay, I'm gonna take a short here. I'm doing it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I like the short here. Oh, baby. Come to me. Come to Papa. Come to Daddy. Oh, yes. Hit it. Oh, baby. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, that felt great. Break even now. We're going to see if we can get a runner. Please don't stop me out and then go lower. Please just keep going lower. Dump it. My wife wants to know what I'm watching. Oh dear. That sounded way worse now that I replay it in my mind. Yeah, that's bad. I apologize. We are currently running a family-friendly show here. Probably got her all worked up now. Captain Crunch. Hey! That's so rude. So absolutely rude. Never mind. Captain Crunch says, I wish. Oh, man. Do I have a Discord? No, I do not. You can send me an email, Steve Rubin. Send me an email, nuttybar1983@gmail.com. Now you guys got to watch this with headphones now. My apologies. All right, market. I am actually starting to kind of over this. Unless, man, I might actually do this. If I might take an, okay, I'm going to take another short. We're going to do it, chat. Maybe this is the one. Just straight down, please. Dump it. Come on. Do it. We've got to, we want to make new lows. It can't be that hard. Just make new lows. Just straight down. Come on. Straight down. And it doesn't want to do it. You're being a jerk about it. Come on, just do it. Man, this thing does not want to do it. Hit it. Wow. This market's being annoying. We need this thing get down below the 270s. Come on. Now go. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. All right, stop to break even once again. How hard can it be? Oh, please, if you stop me out again. Come on, do it. Just straight down. Straight down. Come on. Yes. I might have to take this off here. I'm starting to get doubts. Do it. Do it. Dump. 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 Are you kidding me? Dude, if this stops me out for break even again. Starting to get so annoyed at this. Never fails. It never fails. Stupid market. You know what? I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. We're aborting mission. Mission break even stop is aborted. Aborted. Mission re-enter short might be activated. Why do you have to do this, market? Why? Dude, I'm not sure we can do this though. Are you kidding me? So annoying. Mm. I'm gonna get triggered. If this thing rips higher, okay, we are okay. Okay. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay, this is starting to become a problem. You have got to be kidding me. Ah! That annoyed me. Stop, buddy. Gosh, dude, I hate the market sometimes. Should have just taken my break-even loss. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Man, what happened? Is there some kind of news that came out? This thing just ripped 100 points straight up. Seriously annoying. Well, it's time to contemplate. It might be an okay idea to walk away now. I feel starting to feel kind of frustrated. That trade frustrated me a lot. Went from a good trade to a bad trade. And it was a good trade, and then I managed it poorly. Just, it never fails, man. It never fails, it seems like. Man, this thing is bullish. This thing is ripping now. SpaceX, I've been trying to long all day. Oh, really, M. Holmes? Yeah. But, yeah, I don't know, Chad. I might call it a day. I'm kind of over it. I'm not really in the mood to... I don't want to go long, because if I go long here and then we start to sell off, I'm going to get triggered. And if I short and this continues to rip higher, I'm not ready to accept that either. So, man, I wish I would have just taken it off. I wish I would have just taken this trade off. We had a chance to take it off here at the 250s, and we just didn't do it. I did not do it. Ah, hate it. Hate that. I've heard nothing bad about Trade Day. They have a stellar reputation from what I heard. Yeah, I mean, it's honestly, with Trade Day is great. They don't cause any issues. The only thing with Trade Day is if you blow their live account, they will, I'm not sure you get banned forever, but you'll get put in purgatory for a while. Look at this. Now it's going to dump, huh? Yes, it is the Affordable Indicators dashboard. That is correct. That is correct. You know what we need tomorrow? I really want to pass these Tradeify accounts. If we can pass the Tradeify accounts, man, we are locked in. If we pass those Tradeify accounts, we need to lock in no tilt sessions. None. We cannot afford tilt sessions. We got to lock in small, steady, just even if it takes me 2 months, and slow and steady to get payouts, it's fine. I'm so sick of buying new account. I want it to stop. And with these new Apex accounts, I still don't know if I'm going to trade 2 minis or 10 micros. But then we got to decide, how are we going to trade all these accounts? That's going to be the question. I think we break them up and we trade them in groups. I think makes the most sense. But sometimes I have discovered I feel like I'm more reckless when I only trade 5 accounts at a time. If I would copy trade all my accounts, all 37 of them, I just copy trade all 37 accounts, I feel like I'm way more responsible that way. I can't, it's just physically, I cannot go on tilt. I am not allowed. But obviously, there's still a chance we could go on tilt. And then we've got major problems. But if I would just copy trade all accounts and just slow and steady growth, oh man, it's tempting. Yeah, it seems stressful. Yeah, 100% stressful. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. The problem with breaking up my accounts, I sometimes feel like I have to force trades. I have to force trades then because, you gotta, if you're trading it in groups of 5, it's a lot of trades in one day to get. But I don't know. We shall see. All right, chat. I think I'm going to call it. I know it's kind of early, but I just don't want to trade this market. I want to walk away. I got to lock out, walk away from my computer. I don't want to be tempted to trade. And I'm going to go see if I can find a tea time somewhere. Go play around. Forget about this market. Overall, I feel like it's one of those days where I feel like I had some good trades, but what killed me this morning was getting chopped up when trying to short right here. We had the right idea shorting, and just we got the choppiness got us, and we just didn't capitalize on the moves. And then the last trade of the day, this one that we just had, that was just a bad trade. Actually, it was a good trade, but a bad management. Should have taken my break-even stop and kept it. And we paid the price. I'll YOLO one every day. I know, you know, Auntie, that is, I could do that. I'll have 37 funded accounts and we go max contracts with a, I don't know, whatever our profit target is. We just do that every day and one account at a time. I mean, the odds are eventually we get some payouts, right? I don't think that would be, not a big fan of that though. All right, Chad, I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it. I'm going to walk away. We are going to walk away. We'll be back tomorrow. And we'll have 20 Apex accounts. Let's go. It was still a good day. It wasn't, this is not a bad day. It was a kind of okay kind of day. We need 2 more days of $150 on the Tradeify accounts. And then we can request 4,000. So that's the number one objective this week, is locking in that $4,000 payout from Tradeify. And then just locking in some $250 days on the Apex accounts that we just requested and got approved on. And then also getting those take profit trader accounts above the buffer. Those are kind of the priorities. In the meantime, just hopefully pass those Tradeify select accounts. That's going to probably be what I try to do in the overnight session. All right, everybody, take care. Appreciate you guys. Thanks all for the support. Thank you very much. We'll be back in the morning. Take care, and God bless.